Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello friends. In the current week, we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a mark of 17,585 level with a decent weekly gains of 216 points, or in terms of percentage, it was a weekly gain of 1.24%. Now, here are the few observations for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, purely from technical perspective. So taking first Nifty, in the current week, we have seen that the broader indices has made a new fresh lifetime high at a mark of 17,722 level and was able to maintain it higher top, higher bottom formation, which indicate a strong positive sentiment prevailing in the market. On the weekly chart, the Nifty has formed a bullish candle pattern, which indicates strong undertone of the market. From technical perspective, the Nifty has given a consolidation breakout from last couple of days, which has been forming since last week on the daily chart, which shows strength of the uptrend from short to medium term perspective. Talking about momentum indicators, the daily momentum indicator is firmly sustaining above the mark of 65, which indicates bullish momentum is going to remain intact in the market. Talking about support and resistance level, key support level for Nifty is placed at 17,254, which is last 2-week low, and below that at 17,055. While on the higher side, major supply is placed at 18,111, that is 18,111, and above that at 19,046. Now, in the current situation, what could be the possible strategy to trade Nifty? So since the larger degree trend is strongly on the positive side, one should go long with a strict stop loss placing at 17,254, which is the last 2-week low for the existing long position, as well as fresh new long position created during the week. Now let us talk about Bank Nifty. So in the current week, we have witnessed that the comparative outperformance of Bank Nifty has been witnessed in perspective to Nifty in the last week. On the weekly charts, the Bank Nifty has created a fresh lifetime high at 38,112 level, which indicate strong positive sentiment prevailing in this particular indices. On the daily chart, it has been forming higher top, higher bottom formation throughout the week, which confirms a strong undertone, at least from short to medium term perspective. Talking about momentum indicators, daily momentum indicators of Bank Nifty are also sustaining over the 65 mark, which indicates strong momentum, at least from short to medium term perspective for Bank Nifty. Talking about support and resistance level, key support is placed at 36,251, which is 2-week low, followed by 35,310. While on the higher side, major supply is placed at 39,057 and above that at 41,100. For the next week, we have identified 2 stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader indices. First one is Apollo Tyre, which can be bought at current market price, that is 223, which is stop loss placing at 213 for an upside potential of 242. Another stock which seems to be quite strongly positive is Tata Motors DVR Limited, which can be bought around 145, which is the current market price also, with the stop loss of 135, and this stock has an upside potential of 168. So that's it, friend, for the current week. So if you like our Nifty view as well as our technical pick, we request you to kindly subscribe our YouTube channel as well as follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Investors must make their own investment decision based on their specific goals, financial position, and risk appetite. The content provided herewith is purely for information and educational purpose only.